Hey everybody, it's Marty, the JavaScript party, and so I was watching my last mega upload video, and while I was doing that, I was just trying to figure out how to fix this issue that is just driving me nuts. I thought I had a fix, right? So it's broken. We figured out a clue that it thinks it's using Chai. I did some search on Google because I am currently locked out of ChatGPT. Go ChatGPT never really gave me a good um, never really gave me a good thing, but never gave me a good answer. But I found this, and it's sort of a hack, and I thought it worked. So, and it did kind of work, and I might actually have this as like a stash or something. Um, but the way it works is if you go into the tsconfig and you come in here and you put a comma right there, and then you hit enter and you hit this and you paste that in. So basically, I don't know what the deal is, but apparently you include source and you exclude source. I don't know why you need to include source, but and I don't know, maybe something's different. But anyway, so if you do that and then you remove it, apparently it fixes the this thing, the actual IDE, right? And it like knows that, oh, okay, this is a Jasmine um, thing, and all these problems go away. And if and Jasmine works perfectly. Our regular unit tests work fine, um, and that's good. But of course, as they always say in life, you can kind of ignore everything before the but. The important part comes after the but. But I do think it's important to kind of show, okay, so that worked and that's good. Now, Control C. The problem is that Cypress is now broken. And for some reason, it thinks it doesn't know what the base is. It'll actually, like, just, it throws an error, and it may actually work. I don't think it will. I didn't actually try it. Well, shoot. Yeah, I think it was that. Yeah, it says that it can't, Cypress could not verify the server. Oh, oh my gosh. No, so I think we're good actually. Let me see. And I don't actually have the application running, so it couldn't test it, which makes sense. Man, Cypress is good. Okay, so let's get the application running, and then let's see. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, Rhett. Come on, Rhett. No whammies, no whammies. Looks like we might be good to go. Now, so yeah, that is working. Now, to me, the big question mark is, do we actually need that first piece? Like, as we have decided, do we need this include? I love you too, right? I love you too. Um, okay, so let's go ahead and run this. Okay, actually, first things first. Most important thing is, does the application still run after we changed this entry? Oh no. Looks like, oh no, this is red. I don't know why this is red, but okay, so that's good. So application does run. I guess we should verify it that it works. And then let's go ahead and run our unit tests. doesn't look like we need that source. I don't remember. I remember this include being important at some point. I don't know if it's important now. But adding node module Cypress and excluding node module Cypress seems to solve the problem. Yep, that solved that issue. And then, oh yeah, that's right. You can't really delete it that way. I think Rhett is done with these. She usually enjoys this, but I think I think she may be done. I think I've done like 3 hours, maybe 4 hours, probably 3 hours of these things today. Trying to figure some stuff out, but configure, start, and then home, run. Oh, so okay, so source needed to be in there for the Cypress to run. So let's just do that. Bring the source back in. Cypress open. And I mean, I'm telling you, like, this sort of discipline of just like making sure things really work, running through things, is so valuable, because I mean, just checking something like this and then finding out that there's some obvious thing that doesn't work is always extraordinarily embarrassing and usually not good. It's a huge time waste for your coworkers. Now, it appears that Rhett has had enough. Okay, Rhett. All right. I just need to run the unit tests. Just make sure those still run. Okay. I think she's ready to go back to her big cage. Let's see. Looks like we are good. Yes. That is awesome. Oh, we can't close it from there. All right, so that dragon is slayed. One change, it's this change. We shall commit this change as a standalone. It's very important that when you have, like, that you don't embed this into a bunch of other changes. It's really, really helpful to everybody if status, if you, if this is part of, if this is its own thing that explains why you're doing this weird thing. Git commit -m fixes IDE issue for unit tests. Unit tests. And that now, I strongly recommend that you do not say something like hacky fix, even though my hacky fix was adding to the main and all that. So this person, I didn't even read the other ones. I ended up with this install Cypress. So that's probably a better test, a better fix, but I don't care. It's just fixed. Adding types in this specific order fixed the problem for me. So I don't believe that. It might, but I don't believe it. Or, you know, like his situation may not be the same. But I have an option to exclude Cypress from my overriding the typesets. I wish, this seems really good. just don't quite understand. Um, it says no universal. Tried all the solutions and none worked. So that definitely worked for me. Oh, I actually can. So um, yet another fix. Someone, in case somebody. So I don't know how to do this. I've never put a comment in it in this before. I was actually surprised. Um, Posted worked for me. Smiley comment. And I don't know if that was the right. That probably was not the right way to do it. But it is fun to see this guy. What is he working on? Barcelona. I guess I could tell by the NGX, Advent of Code, Angular, ESLint, Tappy, Gemcatcher. I wonder what that is. CPU load exercise, TTS. Let's see what Gemcatcher is. Sounds like a name. It sounds like a game, but there's no telling. Assets, scenes. It's kind of just, I don't know what this is. Oh, it is a game. Apparently, I don't know. It's like a GD file or something like that. DS store. So yeah, I don't. Looks like that's some sort of game. And anyways, yeah. Thank you, sir. Joan Lanas. I genuinely appreciate your fix, and I will not call it hacky, even though it is. It really is. But I think I don't want you. I don't know exactly how you're going to take it, and I don't want to be disrespectful. So thank you very much. This is really going to take a lot of stress off of me. Have a wonderful day, everybody. Bye.